Hello friend, this is Linda. You can see this is our seatbelt sample. All is our factory automotive to make many model for Toyota, Honda, and many American cars. And also we have many for electric car.
Our company has specialized in the manufacturing of automotive seatbelts for over 16 years. We adopt internationally certified high-strength materials and precision production technology to create seatbelt products that comply with multiple global safety standards, including EMARC, ISO, and DOT. We provide global customers with one-stop safety solutions covering design, production, and testing, ensuring safety serves as a solid backing for every journey.